Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are laying the foundation for all your English speaking. We are going to master the three simple tenses: simple present, simple past, and simple future. Let's discuss them together. First we will discuss about simple present tense, that is used for habits. The simple present is used for things that happen regularly or for facts that are always true. In simple present tense, we use the base form of the verb. But remember to add s for the third person singular, he, she, it. Formula for simple present tense is subject plus verb or verb with s and rest of sentence. For example, I walk to school every day. It's a habit. She eats breakfast at 7 a.m. The sun rises in the east. It's a universal fact. To ask a question, we use do or does. Do you walk? Does she eat? Next is simple past tense. The simple past is used for actions that started and finished at a specific time in the past. Look for time markers, like yesterday, last week, or 5 minutes ago. Rule for this tense is use the past form of the verb. This is often added with regular verbs, but sometimes the verb changes completely, that is called irregular verbs. Formula for this tense is subject plus past verb form plus rest of sentence. Now let's discuss regular verb with examples. I finished my homework yesterday. In this sentence, the action is complete and the time, yesterday, is clearly in the past. Second example is we watched a movie 2 hours ago. In this sentence we finished watching the movie at a past time marker. Now let's saw irregular verb with examples. She went to the store an hour ago. In this sentence, go is an irregular verb. We use the past form, went, to show the trip is over. They saw a famous singer last night. In this example, the seeing action is completed, it happened last night. Now the question is, how to make negative and question form? Negative and question forms. Using did. To ask a question or make a negative statement, we use did, and the main verb goes back to its base form. For example, did you finish your homework? We use did for the past, so the main verb finish must be in the base form. Negative, I did not go to the party. In this sentence, did not or didn't takes the past tense, so go stays in the base form. Next we will discuss about simple future tense for decisions and predictions. The simple future is used for actions that will happen later. We have two main ways to form it, will and going to. We use will for quick decisions or predictions. Formula, subject plus will plus base verb. For example, it will rain tomorrow. This is a prediction about the future. The phone is ringing. I will answer it. This is a sudden decision made at the moment of speaking. Next example is, I will help you with your bags. This shows a voluntary action or promise right now. Now let's discuss second point, going to, that is used for pre-planned actions. Formula, subject plus to be, am, is, are, plus going to plus base verb. For example, I am going to study tonight. Explanation, This is a plan you made before now. They are going to travel next month. This shows a confirmed plan or arrangement. Next example is, the team is going to win the game. This is a prediction based on current evidence, like seeing the score or how well they're playing. And that's the basics of the three simple tenses. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use one simple past sentence, one simple present sentence, and one simple future sentence today. Leave your best example sentence in the comments below.